Which car headrest tablet holder is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. First up is the Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Priced at $16.99, this one caught my eye with its 3-in-1 extension arm feature. If you want an easy-to-install solution for keeping kids entertained on road trips, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It fits devices from 4.7 to 11 inches, making it compatible with the latest iPads and Galaxy tablets. Plus, it has a solid metal crossbar that keeps everything stable, which is super important when you're driving. It's rated 4.5 stars with over 10,700 reviews, and people love how easy it is to install. Seriously, it takes about 5 seconds with no tools required. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, while it does take up some space, the stability and ease of use really make it a great option for families. This is perfect for you if you travel often with kids who need entertainment during long drives. Skip this one if you have a smaller car with limited space, but for the price, you're getting a solid investment in family road trips. Product number 2, LISEN iPad Holder Car Tablet Mount. Next is the LISEN for iPad Holder Car Tablet Mount, priced at $15.99. I was drawn to its adjustable and ergonomic design. If you want a versatile option that can adapt to your kids' needs, check this out. The LISEN mount features a tri-axis adjustment which lets you position the tablet at the optimal angle. It fits devices from 4.7 to 11 inches as well, just like the Lamicall, and has a sturdy design that securely holds your iPad even on bumpy roads. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 9,400 reviews, families rave about how well it keeps kids occupied on long trips. However, some users mentioned it doesn't fit certain vehicles like Volvos or some GMC models. Now, if you have one of those cars, it could be a deal breaker. But if you drive a standard vehicle, it's an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easily adjustable option for your kids. Skip this one if your car has unique headrest rods that it can't accommodate. Product number 3, Lamicall Adjustable Tablet Car Mount. Coming in at $18.98, we have another contender from Lamicall. This adjustable tablet car mount is similar to the first, but with a few tweaks. If you're looking for an upgraded version with improved compatibility, this might be the one for you. It offers easy installation and 360-degree rotation for the best viewing angles, which is key for preventing neck pain during those long drives. Rated 4.5 stars with over 10,700 reviews, users appreciate its stability and ease of use, just like the original Lamicall model. One downside is that it can be a bit more challenging to retract compared to the simpler designs. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles and need a flexible solution. Skip this if you prefer something more compact and easy to store. Product number 4, Lamicall Foldable Clip Tablet Mount. Next up is the Lamicall Foldable Clip Tablet Mount, priced at $17.99. I liked its foldable design, which makes it easy to store when not in use. If you want something that doesn't clutter your car, this could be a great pick. The foldable design allows you to retract the clip when it's not needed, which is great for keeping your backseat area tidy. It supports devices ranging from 5.4 to 13 inches, giving you a bit more flexibility compared to some other options. The stability is enhanced by a sturdy metal crossbar, ensuring your tablet stays in place even on bumpy roads. Its rating of 4.7 stars from 1,100 reviews speaks to its reliability. However, some users found it a bit heavy for smaller tablets. But I'll be real with you, the trade-off for stability is worth it, especially with kids in the back. This is perfect for you if you want a mount that keeps your space organized while providing a reliable hold. Skip this if you have very small devices or want something lighter. Product number 5, Boccolino Tablet Holder for Car Headrest. Last but not least is the Boccolino Tablet Holder for Car Headrest at $14.99. I was impressed by its 3-in-1 adjustable extension arm feature. If you want something that allows for easy sharing among passengers, this is a great option. The Boccolino holder allows you to pull the tablet closer or position it between seats, making it easy for multiple kids to enjoy a movie. It accommodates devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, and its sturdy design ensures that it stays in place during travel. Rated 4.6 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's seen as a reliable choice for family trips. That said, some people mentioned it can take a bit longer to install compared to others. Here's the thing though, once it's set up properly, it's great for keeping kids entertained without distractions. This is perfect for you if you often travel with multiple kids who share a tablet. Skip this if you're looking for a quick install solution. To sum it all up, each of these car headrest tablet holders has its strengths. The Lamicall options are solid for stability, LISEN is great for easy adjustments, and Boccolino shines in sharing capabilities. Depending on your specific needs, you can't go wrong with any of these choices for keeping your backseat passengers entertained on those long trips.